From Hawaiʻi Music Live. I'll be joined shortly by my co-MC for the day, Billy V, will be here to guide us through. Welcome to the 18th annual Kani Pila Grille Talent Search. Are you all ready to cheer on our contestants? All right, this competition has blossomed some of the most incredible artists in the islands. Some of them get their start right on the stage and go off to do incredible things, including like winning Nahoku Hano Awards. Past winners include Kupawa. They won Kamaka Kehau Fernandez. Gee, the list goes on. And you saw Kahiao Lam Ho earlier. And now we get to start things off with last year's winner.
Yes, sir.
Brother, can you imagine 1 year ago, you're on this stage in the competition, doing your thing.
Cousin, it's been, I swear it was just yesterday we won. And so it's like, oh, Rickey Kamai.
How quickly time passes, yeah?
Wow,
and since then, since winning till today, honestly, has life changed a little bit?
Definitely, bro.
Planning.
They let me in anywhere now. I just say, oh, I sing music. They're like, oh, you want the Kani Pila girl? Come.
Wow. Get treated different, yeah? You know, I said co-host, joining up on stage, please, a big round of applause from Hawaii News Now, Billy V.
Hi everybody, aloha no, aloha kākou. Nice to see you here, Made in Hawaii Festival, Kani Pila Grille Talent Search. Brother Wade has been telling you about it. The artists have been coming up here that have been winners in the past and last year, so we've been really happy to be here. We're, of course, all of these artists that are here are wanting to be seen by people, and what better place than to come here to the Made in Hawaii Festival. So once again, good afternoon. Wade.
Good to see you, Bill. One more time, please, a big round of applause for Billy V. Always a pleasure, Bill. Good to, like Billy said, these artists are here to share their hearts and souls and to do it just for you here. So encourage them, cheer them on. In the meantime, to start things off, to give you guys a little bit more sample of what the Kani Pila Grille Talent Search is all about, please welcome last year's winner here to return, and I guess pass the crown on to next.
Yes.
Please, a big round of applause for Rickey Kamai.
That's right on. Thank you so much, these guys. I should have got one shirt like this, so they look my better than mine. Unreal. So, as I said many times, my name is Rickey Kamai. Always good to be had any place, anytime. Thank you guys for coming out today. I know it was a hard way for get in over here. Unreal. They gave me one pass, it was still hard for get over here. Unreal. We'll play guys some Hawaiian style music, some introducing music. This is a song from my childhood, one of my father's favorite jams. I know how to sing this song before I could even speak English good, which is not saying much because brother's still struggling. Unreal. Beautiful song for the big island, Hawaii island, a song called Kona. know that one? No, that one come from Hawaiian 105 KINE, the Hawaiian music station. In a home station. My favorite kind of music, it's my first love, Hawaiian music. But I love them all, so she get jealous sometimes.